Hello everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can easily make Bluestacks 5 run faster in Windows 10 or 11. By following the few simple steps that I show you now, you will be able to make Bluestack 5 run faster in Windows 10 or 11 very easily. So make sure to watch the video till the end so you don't make any mistakes by saying that. Let's start the video. At first, let's open the Bluestacks 5. And after opening the BlueStacks 5, open the Task Manager. And here in the Task Manager, go to the Details. And here scroll down. And here in the sdplayer.exe, tap on the right click and go to the Set Priority. And in the Set Priority, select the above normal and tap on Change Priority. And after changing priority, go back to the BlueStacks 5 and go to the menu bar or tap on this three horizontal line and go to the settings. And here in the settings page, you'll see the CPU allocations. And here in CPU allocation, select medium. And here in the memory allocation, select standard or medium one. And here in the performance mode, select the high performance because if you do not choose high performance, then it will not take any resources from your computer. So it will arise a problem in the performance of BlueStacks and tap on Save Changes and tap on Restart Now. And it will restart your BlueStacks 5 applications. And again, go to the settings. And now go to the display. And here in the display resolution, you have to choose the resolutions. And here you can see the recommended resolutions in my computer is 1920 by 1080. You have to choose the lower resolution than the recommended resolutions. So I'll choose 1280 by 720. And here in the pixel density, you have to choose 240 dp or medium one. And here in the mouse cursor style, select the BlueStacks one. And here tap on Changes. And again tap on Restart Now. And it will again restart your BlueStacks 5 applications. And again go to the settings. And now go to the graphics. And here in the graphics renderer, you have to choose OpenGL. And here in the interface renderer, you have to choose auto. And here in the ASTC texture, you have to disable that because it will form unwanted cache in the computer, which may arise the problem in the performance of the BlueStacks 5. And tap on Save Changes. And after that, close the BlueStacks app and again go to the task manager. And now in the task manager, go to the startup apps. And here in the startup app, make sure that you don't have any unwanted startup apps. And if you do have, then just disable that startup applications by tapping on right click and tap on disable. Then you'll be able to disable the unwanted startup applications because if you have many startup applications, then many of the resources will be used by this startup application. So make sure to disable the unwanted startup applications. And after that, and now press the Window plus R key and it will open the Run dialog box and enter appwiz.cpl. And now here, install the unwanted and unused application from your computer. To install the application, you just have to select that application by clicking on that. Then you have to tap on uninstall because these unwanted and unused application will use many resources from your computer. So make sure to uninstall the unwanted and unused application from your computer. And by doing all these settings, you'll be able to make BlueStacks 5 run faster in Windows 10 or 11. So my friend, that's it. If you find this video helpful, even 1%, consider subscribing and leave a like. I'll be back with another problem solving video like this. Thanks for watching.